In this session, we are discussing biostatistic problems. Around 12 to 15 questions have been asked in ICMR JRF exam. So this topic is important for both CSIR and ICMR and other DBT JRF exams. So let's get started. Question number 1 says, who is regarded as father of biostatistics? So option C, Francis Galton is the right answer. Question number 2 says, the term biometry was coined by, so option D, Walter Weldon is the right answer. Question number 3 says, chi-square test measures. So chi-square test is used to determine whether there is a statistical difference between the expected frequencies and the observed frequencies in one or more categories of a contingency table. So option A is measure the degree of deviation of the experimental result from the expected result. Option B is to test the closeness of observed and the expected frequency, and C is to test the population variance and the sample variance. So option D, all of this is the right answer. Question number 4 says, the characteristics or quantity that may vary from one individual to another is called, so option B, variable is the right answer. Question number 5 is, which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? So measures of central tendency are also usually called as the averages. The following are the measures of central tendency that are in common use. First is arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean and harmonic mean. So option C, range, is the right option. Actually, it is not the measure of central tendency. The correlation coefficient is a statistical measure of the strength of the relationship between the relative moments of two variables. The value range between -1 and +1. A calculated number greater than 1 or less than -1 means that there was an error in the correlation measurement. So option D, -1 and +1 is the right option. Question number 7 is, chi-square is 0 when? So option B says expected frequency is equal to the observed frequency is the right answer. Question number 8 says, a circle divided into sectors proportional to the frequency of items shown is called. So quantitative data is shown by histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, line, chart or graph. And qualitative data is shown by pie or sector diagram, bar diagram, pictogram, map diagram. So option B, pie chart is the right option. Question number 9 says, the statistical test can be utilized to validate the statement people having high cholesterol suffer more from hypertension. So Pearson correlation coefficient is a measure of the strength of a linear association between two variables. Question which this coefficient can answer is like, is there a statistical significant relationship between age and height? Is there a relationship between temperature and ice cream sales? So option C, Pearson correlation coefficient is the right answer. Question number 10 is, to determine variation in wing length of butterfly from 5 different places would be best statistical test. So F-test is used for comparing more than 2 samples mean drawn from corresponding normal population. So for example, to find out whether occupation plays any part in causation of BP, so for this we will use F-test. So option A, F-test is the right option. Question number 11 says, in biostatistics, group of individuals taken for study is called as, so option B, population is the right option. Question number 12 is, standard deviation is the square of, so standard deviation is the square root of variance. The variance of a data set is calculated by taking the arithmetic mean of the square differences between each value and the mean value. So option C, variance is the right option. Next few questions are on variables. So let's see the different types of variables first. It is divided on the basis of quantitative data and qualitative data. Under quantitative data, two types are there, continuous and discrete. Under qualitative data, two types, ordinal and nominal. So continuous variable is a numeric variable. Observation can take any value between a certain set of real number. Examples include height, time, age, temperature. Discrete variable, it is also a numeric variable. Observation can take a value based on a count from a set of distinct whole values. A discrete variable cannot take a fraction value. For example, like number of cars, number of business locations, number of children in a family, all of which measured as a whole unit. Ordinal variable, it is a categorical variable. Observation can take a value that can be logically ordered or ranked, for example, academic grades, clothing size, attitude, etc. So, nominal variable, observation can take a value that is not able to be organized in a logical sequence. Examples include business type, eye color, religion, brand, etc. Question number 13 says variables whose value can be expressed numerically are called. So option A, quantitative variables, is the right answer. Question number 14 is flower color is a. So option B, qualitative variable, is the right answer for this question. Question number 15, variables whose values cannot be expressed numerically are called qualitative variables. Option B is the right option. Question number 16 is quantitative variables that has only fixed or finite values are called. Option B, discrete variables, is the right option. Question number 17, height of students in a class is a. Option D, continuous variable, is the right option. Question number 18 is quantitative variables that can have any numerical values are called. So option D, continuous variable, is the right option. Question number 19, number of fruits in a tree is a. So option B, discrete variable, is the right option. Question number 20 is the branch of biostatics that deals with method of collection, organization and presentation of data is called as. So option B, descriptive biostatics, is the right option. Question number 21 is the branch of biostatics that deal with testing of hypotheses, making predictions using data collected as. So option A, inferential biostatics, is the right option. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.